my name's Renity, and today we're doing mystery slime and glove. So what I'm supposed to do, I'm gonna mix this up, pick a number, and whatever glove it is, I'm gonna pour it in, pop it with this, and mix it with this. So let's get to it. Round one. Now let me pick out one from here. I'm gonna let you guys pick first. See first. 10. Ooh. 2. 6. 4. Ooh, 10. These seem like glue. This seems like glue. So let's pop it. It is glue. I'm so happy I got this first. It's farting. So let me squeeze this all out. It's farting. Now I'm gonna try to squeeze it out faster.
A few moments later.
Now let me pick another one. Round 2. Ugh. What number is this? 7. Ew. 6. I thought I saw 7. 9. 2. 4. 8. 7. Beads. Oh, I don't like beads. They make too much sound. But the best thing about it, it's gonna make it crunchy. Ugh, made a mess. And let me pour this all in. I may even put another one. So, drop 2. There. Now they're all gonna fall out.
– 2,000 years later.
But now it's time for round 3. One green food coloring. This is just gonna make it worse. All that food coloring. Yo! I guess I'm gonna have a green slime today. That's all that's coming out. This one's that I already used. Now for the next one. Round 4. Pick this one. Is it a 6 or a 9? It's a 6, I think. 6. Ooh, I don't know what this is. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's snow. Instant snow. Let me cut this. Now all that come out. See? Really chunky. I love Into Snow. It makes it so chunky. I'm gonna try to get all of this out because I want mine to be like a winter wonderland. So that's mostly all of it that's coming out. But only if you do this, if you cut all of them out. Wow. Now that was missing. Now for round 5. Okay. 2. This 2? No. Wait, 2's over here. 9. 5. One of these. 2. I think it's more glue. Hope it is. Hope it don't make a mess. That, oh my gosh. That made a mess. But at least I got more glue. I hope the glue takes over of the green. So let me try to squeeze all of this out, but I don't want to get my clothes dirty. So keep on squeezing it out. That's it. I guess it's not coming out at all. But whatever. Now for round 6. Ooh, number 9. I knew it. Sounds like glitter. So let's open this. It's soap. Oh, okay. That was really messy because look at my hands, guys. I think it's round 7. Yeah, it's round 7. Number 8. This one's number 8. Huh. These seems like pieces of something. Is this my scrunchie? Whoever did this, I'm gonna get you back if you have scrunchies. Ugh. These were so special to me. I am a Visco girl. Ugh. So let me cut this one. Is there more? Hope there's not. There's more? Ooh wee! I'm gonna get all of you back, whoever did this stuff. I can barely get it out. I'm so proud that I'm not getting all of these out. But I guess I have to, so let me cut it from the top. I'm still mad from round, now it's time for round 9. 7. So let me cut this. 5. This one. It's glitter! I can see it! So let me cut thumb. Barely any in the thumb. I'm gonna cut it from the top. So when I do it, it's gonna pour. Foam beads and the glitter. Wow! Ooh, I love glitter and silver. Look at that, guys. I'm still mad at that soap, though. Whew. Now for round 9. Okay. 4. This has to be 4. No. It's activated, guys. Wow. I'm gonna cut it from the top so I don't get it all over the place from the other parts. Okay. What are the Wow. At least it's the second to last ingredient. So glad I didn't get it first. Now this one is 3. That was this one. So now it's glitter. Now let me cut it. Ooh, it's red. I didn't know that there was red glitter. That's a lot, guys. It's covering up the whole slime. Guys, look at this. It covered up the whole slime. So now it's time to mix. The final step. Now, watch me mix, guys. It's definitely turning green, guys. Definitely. The glitter was taken over, but the soap ruined it all. Ruined it all. I'm so mad whoever put that in my scrunchies too. Huh. I'm sad for the Visco girls. It's really sad. So, we're gonna put this in fast mode in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, it's finally ready. So I'm gonna start playing with it. And there's still a lot of glitter in there. Because as you could see in the beginning of the middle, it was all over the place. So it doesn't really have as a poke, but it's still slime. Christmassy, isn't it? I'm still mad. Whoever put my scrunchie, part of my scrunchie in here, and also the soap. This right here, I did not like it at all. But at least it's a Christmas theme. It came out perfect. I didn't like the green at first because I thought it was going to be dark. But I really like it. It's really crunch. If I put some more beads in it, 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it's really crunchy, but not as a poke, not as stretch as you want it to be, but it's really good. Okay? So what do you think? Is it good or bad? Comment down in the comments. Sorry if our comments are shut off. Please subscribe down below and hit that thumbs up if you like it. This is really fun to play it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. And give a big thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe down below. Comment down below if you like the slime or not. I really like it. It's not as stretchy as I want it to be, but thank you for watching anyways. Goodbye!